More than a dozen species of cavity nesting birds spend all or part of the year at Drala Mountain Center. Woodpeckers excavate nesting cavities in dead or deteriorating trees. Both ponderosa pines and aspens provide suitable cavity nesting sites. Nesting cavities previously created on the sides of buildings by woodpeckers are often used by secondary cavity nesters. A cavity found in this building is used by an aptly named house wren. Some birds use nest boxes constructed for that purpose. The cliff swallow constructs nest cavities with mud pellets, often reusing and repairing prior year's nests. Under repair, fresh mud plaster is seen in the upper left. The cliff swallow's gourd-like nest cavity with tubular entrance. When demand for woodpecker-created cavity nest sites surpasses supply, any potential cavity is appealing. The violet-green swallow is known to use rock crevices for nesting cavities. Recently, a pair of violet-green swallows discover an unlikely rock crevice. Here you see concrete roof tiles with rock-like appearance. Circled in yellow, a partially broken tile creates a crevice and entrance to the nest cavity. It is June. For the past several days, the violet-green swallows bring nest materials to the newly found rock crevice. Both male and female violet-green swallows gather grass stems, small plant roots, and feathers to build a shallow nest in the cavity. The nest building activity may continue for several days or weeks. Please remember, snags, dead or decaying trees are full of life and play critical roles for cavity nesting birds and hundreds of other wildlife species.